The ZFULVO Cordless Angle Grinder offers excellent portability with its cordless design and high-capacity 21-volt lithium battery, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With a powerful brushed motor running at an impressive 28,000 revolutions per minute, this angle grinder ensures efficient material removal, saving both time and energy. Its ergonomic design features a comfortable rubberized handle with a non-slip texture, allowing for easy one-handed operation and providing a superior user experience. The grinder's sturdy construction includes ventilation holes to prevent overheating and a thickened baffle plate to protect against debris, thereby prolonging the machine's lifespan. Weighing only 1,100 grams, the ZFULVO grinder is lightweight enough for both men and women to use comfortably with one hand. This versatile tool comes with 6 cutting wheels and can be used for a variety of tasks, including grinding, cutting, sanding, and polishing different materials like metal, tile, and wood.